Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time joining us, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, and if you like this video, leave me a like on it. If you guys haven't been on my channel before, then do me a favor and just head over to video number 1. This is actually our 5th video that we're on for this series. This is a training series for affiliate marketing, and it's working with a program that I use that I'm currently earning a lot of money with. I earn, so far, this month alone, I'm at $21,000. And if we just look back on our yearly, with this platform, I'm actually at $72,000 since July. So there's a lot of potential here. And this series that you're on right now is actually dedicated to training people how to use this system, exactly how I use it myself, and how to get you guys earning right away. Okay, so again, if this is your first time joining us for this, head back over to video number 1. You can just hit the playlist tab and you'll find me in the playlists, and just watch video number 1, or you can just look down and somewhere in the video description you'll see a link to the playlist, and that can take you to the very beginning. You're going to want to watch that first video because it's going to explain the program that we're using and how you guys can get started. But if you're wondering how to get started, in the video description, okay, underneath the video, you'll find a little box that says show more or more, a downward arrow, something like that. And you can drop that down and there'll be the video description. In that description, you'll see a link at the very top that says click here to get started. Okay, that's going to be the link that you're going to use to sign up. And then you can jump into this training yourself and just start following along with it. All right. So that being said, we're going to jump into video 5 now and just get things rolling. Right. So in the past few days, we've had a lot going on. We've added some things, a couple different methods that we're using for promotions. And we're going to just stick right now with our MLGS for the day, and we're going to send out our email. Okay, so what you need to do is just log into your account. The other thing you're going to want to have open, of course, is your affiliate dashboard so that you can scroll down and you can click on the all-in-one $25 business sales letter. You just click this link right here and then leave that open because we're going to need that again later if you remember. So we're going to be going through and finding the email that we like, and we're just going to add it to a Google Doc so that we can easily transfer it over to MLGS today. But let's go create the email real quick and try to find something new that we haven't used yet, and just something intriguing that we can send out in the emails to drive some awareness to what we're doing. Okay, let's look down here. So we have, you're getting everything you need to step into an immediately profitable online business. Let's see. So I think we used something like that before. Let's use this, 80% commissions, and we're going to actually break this up. We're going to do 80% commissions. We're going to put the subject here, body. So when we go up here to the subject, we're going to do 80% commissions, and then we're also going to do generated for life. So we're just breaking that up a little bit, but it's still something that's going to stick out in people's minds if they see it. But this is a good title. I think that's a great subject line, and that might get some people in here right away. Maybe show them, make them interested in clicking on it. That's what we're looking for. We're gonna copy this now, and we're gonna go to the body. And we'll just paste this in here, and we're gonna move things around a little bit. Yes, you really are getting a completely done and ready to go business in a box. We're gonna go completely done and ready to go business in a box that pays you 80% commissions. We're gonna add something else to this too. We are going to add, let's see what else we can add to this. If you did all this on your own, it would take. Let's do this. Oh, let me look down here a little bit. Let's see. Let's do this one. Let's pull this one here. We're going to copy this. And let's, of course, just change this around a little bit. You just want to make it look a little neater so that when people open up their email, they see it. So, and let's add one more thing here. Let's look again. this right here. Actually, yep, that'll work. We're gonna paste this in. Okay, let's go over here, drop this down, just clean this up a little bit. And right here, we're just gonna add what was supposed to be there, which was freedom money. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. And then we'll just put click here to start earning your own freedom money. Okay, that's gonna work for us. And then just put blessings, or have a blessed day. We'll try. And then whatever name you want, of course, whatever works for you. Now let's go back over here to our affiliate link, and we're going to copy our affiliate link right here. It's the one next to the all-in-one $25 business sales letter. We're going to click copy. I'm going to go back over here. We're going to paste it in right here. So right click, highlight, and then right click, insert link. Paste it in, hit apply. Now we are ready to go. We can start adding this to MLGS. We're going to go to MLGS. Of course, you're going to be on your home screen. Hit your mailing system. Scroll down, hit select all. Down a little bit more, we're going to need the subject line. We're going to come back here. We'll just copy the subject. We're going to paste it in the subject line. We're going to scroll down. We're going to clean out this box right here. Just delete everything out of there. Go back up here and let's grab the body of our email, okay? Copy that. Control V to paste it in. Hit perfect timing. And then we're going to go ahead and send it on its way. Just click that button to send it, okay? That's perfect. That's all we need to do. I'm going to pause it. You guys can actually pause this video right here, and copy this email. If you guys want to use it, just go ahead and click the pause button right now, copy it down, and you can actually send this one yourself, or you can start making your own like I'm doing, because that works the best with emails. Now again, let's just show you how, once we have this sent on, once we've already sent it once, how to send it to your next MLGS, because if you remember, I had said to you, it's beneficial to have more than one of these. In my recommendation, I like to use 5, okay? But if you can't get 5, then at least get 2 or 3 of them so that you can start building up those leads. This is you have to look at this like a business, right? In a long-term business, we're trying to generate leads, and the more the merrier, especially in the beginning, okay? So let's just go right here, and while we have this open, let's go ahead and copy this body of this email. Let's just right click and copy. We're going to go up to the top, right click, hit duplicate. That's going to open up a new tab with MLGS. We're just going to go to account, log out of that one, and we'll log in with our second account. Then we'll go over here to mailing system. We're going to hit select all. We're going to scroll down, paste in with Control V the body that we just copied from this. We'll scroll back up to the top of this first one. Copy the subject, head back over here, paste in the subject. It's good to always double check, make sure you selected all your leads, you've got your subject in, you've got the body of your email in, it has your link in it. Hit perfect timing, and then there's going to be a little send button right over here on the right hand side. It'll be sitting right here. I had already sent mine today. I send these out every single day, and I have it at a certain time. So if I'm doing this video at a different time than I normally am generally, then you are going to not see the send button here because I've already sent it, okay? So that's going to be it for the day. Good luck, everybody. I'm happy to see you guys are making progress. Keep moving along. You guys are doing really well. We're going to have another video out here shortly, and you guys can jump into that one. But this is going to be the process going forward here until until we come up with something else that maybe we can add to this for you. But this is where we're at right now. Continue doing it. If you guys can do me a favor, if it's your first time here or maybe you haven't yet, just hit the subscribe button for me. Hit the bell icon so that you're notified whenever the next video drops. And do me one more favor and leave me a like on this video if you got something out of it. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you guys next time.